Hey, it is Nicholas from Pictor, and I wanted to quickly walk you through something that's been requested tremendously this week. So, since we launched AI video, we have a lot of requests for the one-click feature that we had for AI stills to come to AI video. So, what I did was I created an AI video one-click for our most requested, which is the snow globes that we've been showing you guys for the past few weeks. So, let's hop in. Okay, let's hop into our app. And on the home screen, you'll always see our one-click launches. So let's go down here. Let's scroll down. And now we have our snow globe dream updated to be with video. Let's go ahead and launch that. You can change the name, your clients, start date, end date, etc. But now once you hit that create event, your event is literally live right now. Look, what I mean by that is I can go into the virtual mode and let that load up. So that virtual mode can be sent via email, via smartphone, etc., via text message, or you could even launch it via the QR code that's on the last screen. So what I can do is I can take a photo or a video. Let's go ahead and do a video first. Pop in. Let's go him, and let's go ahead and email that to myself. Let's close this window. Let's go back over here. Actually, you know what? While we're doing that, let's take a still too. Let's go back in there. Take a still image just so you can see the difference. Funny face. On to next. Click send that through. Now let's close this. So even though the event was built in that one click, I want to show you some customizations as well. So we can go into the flow stage. The entire event has global style settings. What I mean by that is we have our background that goes throughout the entire event. You can change that in individual flow stages, but what I want to show you now is if you wanted to put your logo on this, you could do that. So let's go ahead and upload the Pictor logo just so you can see what that looks like. Go and upload that in. I'm going to select it and I'm going to use it. Save that, save that. And remember one second ago, you may not have even noticed this, but we didn't have a logo there. And now you're going to see when we launch this, we do. Ta-da, the Pictor logo. And the other thing is our gallery. Check on these sessions. So these are both on the video and the still. Let's go into our internal gallery. Sorry, let's go into our public facing gallery. That's what I want to show you. So the one click launches with no branding on it, but here you'll see the video that we just took. Zoom in on that a little bit for you. So there I am in the snow globe waving to you. Good timing. Go back to the gallery. There's me making my funny face, touching my glasses in the snow globe. Let's go back to the gallery. And you'll note there's no branding here. So if we go back into our output area, we can select a template for the gallery microsite. We can create a template, and this is going to give you the base template to match. So watch, so we're going to call this base template for now. I'm going to save this. I'm going to select it, use it, save it. Let's go back into that gallery page, and you're going to see here, now we have the sample template imagery. So we have the logo, we have some sample text, logo area, and then a byline down at the bottom. So now let's go back into this. Let's go to edit this time. Now let me click on this and upload my logo again, or attach my logo, I should say. Same thing here. Let's update this text. And this area here that says content coming soon is actually where we load the gallery in, so don't touch that. Let's go ahead and apply that, save it. And you'll see when we do a refresh here, now we have our branding on it. So this could be your branding, what I'm saying. So it's that easy. I want to show you one more thing before we go. If we pop over here into our gallery page or our event settings page, we have two very important things in the bottom right. We have our uh, help section. So if you have any trouble with that one click or anything else, please hit us up. We have our feedback. This to me is the most important thing that we have. And that is because Pictor exists because we literally were asking for features from photo booth software companies, and they were telling us we didn't need them. And so we ended up starting with AI photos, AI other things. Now we have full parity with the software you know and love. And we want to continue to keep giving you more items. The way we know what you need is by you making a suggestion. So please do pop in there. For example, the most voted right now is the ability to purchase a 3D printed folded paper, a basketball prompt, trading cards, PC compatible, etc. So if you hop into this and you can actually upvote things. So for example, I can upvote basketball prompt here, etc. So please do that. Either create suggestions for what you want or upvote pre-existing ones so we know what to put onto the roadmap. So once again, let's pop over and we can see my video. I'll wave to you like my video does. And thank you so much for tuning in, and we cannot wait to see what you create. Thanks so much.